Good morning. Today we're going to be doing an out-of-box experience for the Sprint Overdrive 4G wireless hotspot. I'm here with Ernie Newman, who's going to walk us through it. So Ernie, what do we do?
First we open the box.
Okay.
It comes in a nice package.
Great.
Slide off the cover. Crack it open. See
Hard
what's
plastic
inside.
with beveled edges.
Pretty nice.
That matches the device on the inside.
There it is. Take it out. I always tear these things.
Great. So its approximate size is, I'd say it's about the width of a business card.
Yeah.
Width and height, it's square. And how deep is it?
Pretty thin.
Ooh, nice.
About a ½ inch.
Great.
Comes with instructions to access the web page for configuration. Let's see what else is here. Getting started guide. Battery cover. Battery.
Okay, so you're placing the battery in the back?
Yep. Yeah, stop. Battery goes in the back. Cover. That's it.
So does it come pre-charged? Do we have to charge it a
I
while?
believe it has some charge.
Okay.
We'll turn it on in a second. It does come with the adapter and the USB cable. I believe these will charge off your computer now too. Whereas the 3G MiFi did not. Alright, so now we'll power it up. There you go. If you can see the screen.
Yep, and it's got about a 1-inch screen square. It's using most of that screen right now for the Sprint, and then Overdrive.
I'm going to take a minute or two to boot.
Okay. Alright, so we're all booted up now, and what's next?
So you'll see it right now for setup. It's telling you to connect your computer to the Wi-Fi network.
Okay.
It has the name of Overdrive 242. So you can see right now I'm not connected. So we'll go to the Wi-Fi network here. Oops. Turn my airport on. And I should see it here. Should see it here. There we go, now it's searching. Alright, so Overdrive 242.
Mm-hmm.
And the password for setup is right here. So it's 21062.
It just shut off.
That's just the display. You can bring it back up just by hitting the button.
Okay. So that's on.
So now I am connected. And actually, you know what? I think if I just launch my browser, it should go to the setup page by default the first time you use it. That's pretty standard. That's cool. Terms and conditions. Alright, so now we'll want to set it up. So we'll create an administrator password. So after you set a password, we'll create a wireless SSID for this guy. Let's just call it ME test for Mobilevolution. We'll do 64-bit WEP, and we'll make it a somewhat easier pin. And you can preview the display in the setup. That's pretty cool. So here you see what this will show. So you can choose to display your Wi-Fi password or not. Since this will be in a confined space, I don't think we have to worry too much about other people seeing the password for testing, so I'm going to show it on the device.
And this would be, the steps you're going through right now would be true whether it's an Apple or it's a IBM-based machine or an Intel-based machine.
Correct. First time you set it up, it's browser-based. The platform independent. Alright, so now it says to connect with the new settings. So we'll go up here. And we should see this in our network list now as ME test. There it is. With our password of ME123. And we are now on the network. So step 3, click here when step 2 is completed, which is what we just did, and go to the internet.
And this whole time, that tiny little screen on the device has been describing a couple things as to what's going on.
Correct, yeah, it shows you how much data you've moved. We've sent 2.5 megabits in and out. Has the name of the network and the password for the network. You see we're connected 4G, 2 bars in the conference room, and we have about a 50% charge on the battery. So I'll go ahead and go out to Netflix and stream a movie. See how fast it goes. So it loads up fairly fast. See my recent kid movies. Let's see, how about Blade Runner? I think that's available on here. Alright, we'll see if we can stream Blade Runner over 4G.
Alright, so while we're waiting for Netflix to load up, let's go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi on the HTC Hero.
Alright. We'll go to turn on your wireless connection. Alright, so we'll turn the wireless on here. And go into your settings and find the network. Oh. Hang on.
Okay. Wi-Fi settings.
Alright, and you'll see ME test is there. It sees it.
Okay.
We'll put in the key. ME 1, 2, 3. Connect. It's obtaining an address. And we're now connected. That made a signal to let you know you're connected. And go to your browser. Oh. Sorry.
So just pick something on there.
Yeah.
Go to more bracketology.
So let's go to college basketball. And it's loading up. And you can see we're streaming Blade Runner over here at the same time.
Pick Kansas. I think you have to do the little link underneath. There we go.
There we go.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Much quicker than it was
The 3G, yeah.
without the Wi-Fi on. Great.
There we go.
And one last look.
2 devices.
We're watching the
Blade
movie
Runner.
loading up.
Yeah, it's the start of the movie. Oh, I think I paused it when I hit the space bar.
Paused it.
There we go.
Okay, so
Blade Runner, Wi-Fi connected, HTC Hero, all through 4G at the same time. Blade Runner streaming on Netflix. Got web browsing on the HTC Hero, all at the same time through the 4G Wi-Fi, or Overdrive, we call it now.
fantastic. Thank you, Ernie.